In this short tutorial we're going to review the main features of the bill pay calendar. Using this tool will allow you to see a bird's eye view of all the bills you pay for the current month. The current day is highlighted in yellow. In the upper left-hand corner, you have a cell that shows what bank account you're using. Directly to the right shows the current month and year that you are budgeting for. This value is automatically updated when you change the month and year on the spending plan sheet. In the upper right corner, you will see totals representing the total amounts of all income and bills listed on the calendar. Note, this is not a total of all your income and expenses for all categories, but only those items that you have entered a due date for on the spending plan. The calendar layout includes 4 weeks plus 1 spillover week. This layout is designed to coincide with the layout of the spending plan sheet. Each week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. The bill pay calendar works in conjunction with the spending plan sheet. For every item on the spending plan sheet that has a due date listed, you will see that day highlighted here on the bill pay calendar. If there are multiple categories paid on the same day, the calendar will list each item separately and give you a total of all the items at the bottom of that day. In addition to showing all the billable expenses, the calendar also shows you income payment dates, based on the income entered on the spending plan sheet. In the weekly totals column, the calendar adds up all the income and bills for that week. One useful way to use this calendar is to print out a copy and post it on your refrigerator. This will give you a visual cue as to when certain bills are due, so that you never miss paying a bill on time. That's all there is to it, simple yet powerful.